Hello everyone, it's me Harsha. Today I will quickly show one simple and useful feature inside LemTask, which is the My Task view. This feature is helpful when we only want to see the task assigned to us. Sometimes a workspace has many tasks from different people and like teams and projects. If all tasks are shown together, it can become confusing. The main My task view helps me focus only on my own work. Okay, so first I'm on the LemTask website. I click on this and I'll I will get started. Yeah. Here I can see different tasks in the workspace. Some tasks maybe belong to me, some may belong to other team members. Now I'll look in an option called My Tasks. In this feature like tasks, my team tasks. Here we get to see that there's an option called like team tasks, my team tasks. Okay, and like we get to see like all tasks, and it is assigned by me. So after checking the task, I'll go back to my task page. This page is useful because it gives me a clear view of my own daily work. For example, if I start my day and I can first open my task and see my work, and like for example here to-do list as well. These are the tools which like the things which I would do daily. So like the biggest benefit of my task view is focus. It helps users to know exactly what they need to work on. So to quickly recap, first I logged into LemTask, then I opened dashboard. After that I clicked on my task or like assigned to me, then I click on task assigned to me and open the task to view the details. That's a quick look at my task view inside LemTask. This feature helps users to find their own tasks, avoid confusion, and focus on daily work and complete tasks more easily. That's from my side. Thank you for watching.